Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Chief RC. I'm Ricky, and I am glad I didn't sell this piece of shit. I'm going to show you why after a really cool bash. I had some fun with it on 3S, I have to admit, and I'm going to have a lot more fun with it. I still think you should buy one, but just, I don't think you should buy one. Buy a 2995 HM, or you can't buy those anymore. Get an HBX 2995 or yeah, don't buy this. Get a HBX 2995 or 901A, 903A, or Bezgar HP161S, any of the Bezgars. You'll be much happier. This is cool, but it's just, I don't know, I give them an A+ for their effort on trying to fix it, but it's still, well guys, this new camera's been driving me nuts. I keep missing the damn car. Like, I'll be driving and I'll just show you a picture of the trees and you can hear it. I'm totally missing it. Let me try again. I think we're adjusted here. We got the Hosim X07 1/12 brushless ready to run. It's running the stock spec motor, but it's already went through its original X-Team 2847 3800 kV motor, and the 45 amp burnt out right away on 3S too. So now we got the 120 amp and pretty decent 2847 3800 kV out of the HBX 901A. I think it has a little bit better bearings than that X-Team. But this truck comes fully loaded. It has CVDs all four corners. Nice setup here. I wish it had stronger shock towers. I wish it had more standard style, I don't know. They're a normal 12mm hex, but they have a weird size, like kind of an in-between size pin, so you can't use the 5/64, and yeah, it's kind of weird. So if you lose a hex in a pin, it's kind of a pain in the ass to fix that part. Other than that, this thing's pretty damn stout. I don't see you having much problems with it. Let's go give her a good little 3S rip here. It's pretty warm today, about 80 degrees. Fairly humid. Got some storms coming from down south. There's my baby. Oh, you're so cute. Alright, we should be recording. Yeah. Hopefully I got the car in a good view, and it won't be a waste like last time. Oh, yeah. This is good. Not too far down. There we go. Oh yeah, the wheel came loose and it was messing my trim up yesterday. Fresh battery. Looks trimmed pretty good. Let's turn the speedometer on here. I want to top this thing out. 41. There we go, zeroed out. Oh, I didn't think it was gonna do that. Oh. We'll just do standing backflips. It launches itself. That's cool. Seems like she likes to ride wheelies pretty good. Oh, and I gotta turn that brake down. I wasn't ready for it. Whoa. That's sick, huh? Yo, this thing rides wheelies. Nice. Nice. There's too many cars here though. Let's try out this little dirt racetrack, huh? Hopefully I'm recording this. These should be good on dirt. I was going pretty fast around it yesterday. Let's see if I can get up here. And those six packs look nice, spinning. Oh, shortcut. I gotta stand over here a little bit. Oh, yeah, save. I knew I was gonna hit one of those eventually. Let's go this way once. Whoa, she's fast. I don't want to spray him with rocks. Gotta be careful. Yo, this thing's an animal. Oh, I just avoided that curb. This thing is badass. Too sharp. I hope I'm getting this. Let me see here. Yeah, I should be getting this. That or we're getting the ground. Alright, let's come back around. Let's go over here again. Yo, this thing's a racer. Oh. Pretty fast. Bet you I could jump that big mountain there, huh? Should we try to jump that? Oh, we're upside down. I forgot I lost the GPS. Oh no.